Hi, my name's Deb, and I want to give you a little quick tip for your Gmail account with your safe list in. Now, when you get hundreds of emails a day and there's a certain email or safe list program that you really want to do, you really don't want to have to keep scrolling like this to find every one. So what you're going to want to do is say, click the email. Then you're going to go up here to these three dots, click it, go down here to filter messages. It puts in from, you just hit create filter. You're going to skip the inbox, you're going to apply the label. You'll choose the label by hitting new label, and then you're going to type in the name of the safe list. Then you click create. Then go over here and click never send it to spam. And then also apply the filter to the 35 matching conversations. Click create. Now, then all you have to do is, when you get into your email, is scroll down and find your folder, and there are all those emails, and they're not mixed in. Every once in a while you'll get something else in there, but for the most part, the mails that you want from that specific safe list are right there. If you have any questions, you can always email me at admin@savingwallets.com. Thank you.